What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of x times square root of 1 minus x squared and x squared times square root of 16 minus x squared. So I start with the first one, which is going to be x times 1 minus x squared to the power of 1 over 2. Then I'm going to use product rule, which is going to be u prime v plus u v prime. Derivative of x is 1 times 1 minus x squared to the power of 1 over 2 plus x times derivative of the second one, which is 1 over 2 times 1 minus x squared to the power of negative 1 over 2. Because 1 over 2 minus 1 is going to be negative 1 over 2 times derivative of 1 minus x squared, which is going to be negative 2x. So now let's simplify 1 minus x squared to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 and 2 cancel out is going to be negative x squared times 1 minus x squared to the power of negative 1 over 2. So we have square root of 1 minus x squared minus x squared over square root of 1 minus x squared. Next example, x squared times square root of 16 minus x squared. So we have x squared times 16 minus x squared to the power of 1 over 2. So same method, y prime will be derivative of x squared is 2x times 16 minus x squared to the power of 1 over 2 plus x squared times 1 over 2 times 16 minus x squared to the power of negative 1 over 2 times derivative of 16 minus x squared, which is negative 2x. So that's going to be 2x times square root of 16 minus x squared. 1 over 2 times 2 cancel out. It's going to be negative x to the power of 3 times 16 minus x squared to the power of negative 1 over 2. Which is going to be 2x square root of 16 minus x squared minus x cubed divided by square root of 16 minus x squared. Remember, when we have negative in exponent, in order to make it positive, we need to make it in denominator. And 1 over 2 is going to be square root. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video.